Wishing laughter and fun to cheer your days in this festive season of Diwali and always. An occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light over darkness, awareness over ignorance. An occasion of life. Good morning to respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I, Faiza of class 9, today want to speak a few words on Diwali. Diwali is one of the India's biggest festival, also known as the Festival of Lights, which Hindus celebrated with great joy. The word Deepavali means the rows of lighted lamps. During this festival, people decorate their houses, buildings and shops with colorful and brightful diyas. They worship Lord Ganesh for welfare and prosperity, and Goddess Lakshmi for wisdom and wealth. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu month of Kartika Masam, which falls sometimes during the month of October or November. This marked the return of Lord Rama after 14 years of exile and victory over the demon Ravan. Diwali is celebrated for 5 consecutive days. Hindu regard it as an occasion of life that helps to strengthen the relationships. People clean, whitewash and decorate their houses with pictures, flowers and toys. Before the festival, they put colorful rangolis and artworks on the floors. On the day of Diwali, people put on the best clothes and exchange their greetings, gifts and toys with their families and friends. Sweet and toy shops are
do you know my father is gonna bring crackers of rupees 5,000 rupees for me. I'm so happy today.
Wow, nice.
Why? Why are you people spending a lot of money for just buying these crackers?
Yes, he's correct. Why to spend a lot of money just on buying the crackers?
Do you know that these crackers are often made by small children and those small children often burn their hands while making these? These crackers are even harm for you.
What? Diwali comes once in a year and it is celebrated due to the return of Rama to home after 14 years.
Every year on Diwali, many people fall sick just because of the pollution caused by burning crackers. These crackers cause air pollution which is very harmful to our health. We should instead stop burning crackers because it has many disadvantages and we should even advise it to the others.
Hey friends, do you know about eco-friendly crackers? My father is gonna give me eco-friendly crackers to burn this Diwali. I am also advising the people by a role play. Will you join me in that role play?
Yes, yes, of course. Sure, but what are eco-friendly crackers?
Eco-friendly crackers are the crackers which do not cause any air pollution and save to us also.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Let's practice for the role play which you decided regarding the eco-friendly.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
Yes,
Thank you.
this year let's have a eco-friendly Diwali. Thank you.
Namaste. I, Cadet K. Shishwini of Class 10 from St. Martin's High School, would like to speak a few words about Deepavali. This festival is celebrated in the Telugu month of Kartika Masam, which comes sometimes during October or November. People light up their houses and shops to welcome Goddess Lakshmi and to give them beautiful life for the year ahead. And also, on the day of Deepavali, people decorate their houses and exchange gifts, sweets, and greetings within their friends and family. Namaste. I, Cadet KV Pallavi of 10th grade studying in St. Martin's High School, would like to speak about the impact of burning crackers on Diwali on COVID-19. The festive season is round the corner, but it has changed everything this year because of the pandemic. The doctors are disencouraging the use of crackers this year because on Diwali it may have more impact than usual. The coronavirus will spread more rapidly than normal. So, if the government is taking any steps toward preventing and banning the usage of crackers, I request you all to not use and stay safe.
Namaste. I, Pravalika of Class 10 from St. Martin's High School, would like to speak a few words about air pollution caused on Diwali due to crackers. Firing crackers on Diwali increases the concentration of dust and pollutants in the air. After burning the crackers, the fine dust particles get settled on the surface which are packed with chemicals like copper, zinc, sodium, lead, magnesium and pollutants like oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. These harmful and invisible chemicals affects the environment and also puts our health at risk.
Namaste. I am Cadet S.V. Lokeshwari of St. Martin's High School, studying in 10th standard. Today I would like to speak about the precautions that you need to take care on Diwali, and along with that take care of yourselves and your family during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Avoid bursting crackers, elderly people to stay at home, wear cotton clothes, don't use sanitizer before lighting a candle or a diya, keep sanitizer away from the fire, keep water handy, avoid greeting others with a hug, maintain social and physical distance, and don't forget to wear a mask. So let us make this Diwali a safe Diwali and a cracker-free Diwali. May this Diwali, the festival of lights, bring all the happiness into all our lives.
Happy Diwali. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.